popcorn. Yeah, come on. Quicker than your average and possibly the fairest of them all. Like you have to grab it, squeeze it tight and have it. Heat it up and watch as it popcorn. The temperature is real hot, so maybe just you got to get out the hot. Popping like a pop, like a train. Popping more from the pressure of our veins. Baby, I'm the brightest, microphone the highest, definitely the tightest. If the pot is the hottest, this club spotted, then done dotted and chum chotted. Mostly pilot with workaholics, with Macaulays who just want a new chance to finger flaunt as you dance and stomp right out of your pants. Right at first glance, my lord, popcorn. There goes another one. Now look at what I've done.
Good popcorn, a healthy treat. That's
there goes another one. Now look at what I've done. Everybody's jumping on popcorn. There goes another one. Now look at what I've done. Everybody's jumping on popcorn. There goes another one. Now look at what I've done. Everybody's jumping on popcorn. Come on, jumping on popcorn. Jumping on popcorn.
so good.
Popcorn. Yeah.
So good.
Matters on my own. Did me something written just as I am always prone. There I found something hidden in the right rear of my dome. Just for I was fixing to share this thought on the phone. I picked up me pad and I picked up me pen and wrote all over and over and then popcorn. Like you know you need to. Do whatever please you, but don't forget you're not see-through. Please know that even static keeps a hair tragic. Like we have to tap it and popcorn. I'm Red Maiden.